Alright, time for another unboxing video. I bought some new Sakura art supplies. Hashtag still not sponsored, but hopefully one day, cause I really like their art supplies. Wow. So, quick overview. A set of 3 Sakura Micron fine liners, cause I was running low on them. These are great, I use them all the time for my outlines and inking process. These have particularly fine nibs, 0.05, 0.1 and 0.3. A lot of their jelly roll pens, specifically from their Moonlight collection. I just bought lots of colors and they came either in different sets or could be bought separately, hence this single red/dark pink pen. Here's a set of 12 of them. And finally a new Sakura sketchbook, because I already filled all 3 of my other sketchbooks. Yeah right, you know that's not true. Look at this cover art, it's awesome as usual. Their packaging is always nice. The artist behind this tiger illustration is Ardif, as specified on the back cover, so shout out to them. The size of this sketchbook itself is 13 by 21 centimeters or 5.1 by 8.3 inches, so just a bit smaller than an A5 sheet of paper. It has a matte black hardcover with a Sakura logo in one corner, just like the other sketchbooks I have bought from them. I bought this because I have some ideas for drawing on black paper, and I was really excited about experimenting in this and finding out how I could use my art supplies on this medium. It's filled with 80 sheets of acid-free paper, each having a thickness of 140 grams per square meter. Nice and sturdy at the first glance. It also has an expandable envelope here at the back cover, an elastic closure band, a ribbon bookmark, and a pen holder attached to the side of it. I quickly swatched my new colored jelly roll pens too on the last page of the sketchbook. I was really curious how these pens interact with the black paper. I was not disappointed at all. They do say these pens have bright, opaque, paint-like colored ink, and I've been using their white jelly roll pens for years now, so I was expecting good things. Also, look how aesthetically I arranged them in the envelope, to have each pen indicate its respective mark left on the paper. Only quality content here, guys. I also wanted to see how all of these pens would work on white paper as well, of course, and to have a side-by-side comparison of how the colors will look on each medium. As you can see, there is not much of a difference, maybe a slight one with some colors more than others, and especially with the last 3 here, the fluorescent ones from what I can tell. The opacity of the yellow is not that intense on the black paper. They are a little streaky. I feel like I will need to apply them in multiple layers when covering larger areas, but that probably has to do with the nib size as well, as the ones from the set of 12 are 0.6, while the singular red one and the 3 neon ones are a 10. But still, not much to complain about really. So yeah, great stuff. I've already tried the red and light blue pens in action to create some highlights in my latest Halloween video. I edited that video as a priority over this one to be able to post it at least somewhat close to Halloween, hence the continuity issue here. Not that anyone actually cares about that. Anyway, go watch it if you want. I'll most probably make future videos of me using them in this sketchbook too, so stay tuned for that and I'll see you guys later.